Okay, niños, are we ready?
Oh, it's a climb though.
I really don't want to do this. You want to go back that way? I hugged the bush.
You good, Micah?
Yeah.
Got a few scratches?
Yeah.
Oh, spider web!
This is awesome.
How many times did you almost biff it?
I came off the bike twice.
Oh, now we need some water. Whoa! Sand! Whoa! Drops! Are you good? Ooh! Maybe not. That's all I got. It's the last gear I got. This is real bad. I'm dying. I'm better now. I think. No, I'm not good. Hey, where'd you guys go? Where'd you go? Coming. Yeah, that was disgusting. No, it tastes like banana and that tea I was drinking. Huh? All on camera too, now that I think about it. Oh no! Freaking Sullivan. Fun times, guys, fun times.